Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making toum. To start this dish we need 1 cup of garlic cloves just cut in half, adding that to the bowl of our food processor along with 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Now we want to pop the lid on and we're going to pulse this about 10 times just to get that garlic starting to break down before putting this on low and letting this process for about a minute. Then you want to take off the lid and scrape down the sides. We want all of this garlic broken up. We don't want any large chunks. So giving that a really good scrape, putting the lid back on, running on low again. Now to add some flavor, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, freshly squeezed preferably, 1 tablespoon at a time. Just letting that first tablespoon run through before adding the next. And this is the final tablespoon going in. Going in again to scrape down the sides. Just make sure all that garlic is getting whizzed up by our food processor blade. Now we need to add in 3 cups of olive oil, and you want a good olive oil because you're really going to taste it. But you want to add this in on high speed, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you start to notice your whole sauce emulsifying. Now this is a different format than we usually do. This is a little bit more casual. But let me know in the comments below if you like this format better or how I usually do it. Once you notice your toum is coming together, you can pour the rest of your olive oil in. We're going to open this up and give this a consistency check and make sure there's no large chunks of garlic. And this is looking pretty good. We only have 1 more step to do. With the motor running on low, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of ice cold water. This is going to kind of smooth out that garlic flavor so it's not as sharp. Now we're going to pour this into an airtight container, and this should keep in your fridge for about 2 weeks. You can see how light and airy and beautiful this is. Now this sauce is flavorful. You get that sharpness from the lemon, that hint of garlic throughout. This is perfect served with raw vegetables or with a gyro or gyro, however way you pronounce it. But there it is, toum. I hope you all make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really do appreciate it. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.